Hello, everybody, and welcome to Math Day 7. We are going to review our measurement first, and then we're going to talk about what is the best unit to measure an object in. All right, so here we have a van that we need to measure. Do you remember how I'm supposed to set up my pencils? Because we're using pencils for this. How should I set up my pencils so I measure the van? Let's see, I'm gonna start right there. Wait, what? No? What do you mean no? Oh, I have to start all the way at the end. When the measuring for math start at the end. Oh, right, let's see. So I start at the end and I'm gonna just put more pencils down. Yeah. When the measuring for math start at the end. Yeah. What? No? Why not? I started at the end. Oh, there's gaps. When you're measuring for math, there should be no gaps. When you're measuring for math, there's no gaps. Like that? Oh, we can sing the song together. When we're measuring for math, start at the end. When we're measuring for math, start at the end. Wait, what? Wait, what'd you say? Yeah, I'm lining them up. Oh. Oh, I see what it is. This one? And no overlap. When we're measuring for math, no overlap. When we're measuring for math, there are no gaps. When we're measuring for math, line them up end to end. I'm making this up as I go. Am I good? I'm done. Yes. What? What do you mean I'm not done? I started at the end to end. I'm not zigzaggy. I'm not overlapping. There's no gaps. I have to go all the way to the end, like this. More. End to end. Yes. Did I make it all the way to the end? Did I? Yeah. When we're measuring for math, start at the top. Start at the end. When we're measuring for math, there are no gaps. When we're measuring for math, no gap or overlaps. When we're measuring for math, go end to end. We got it. Yay! All right, let's check and see how many pencils there are. 1, 2, 3. Louder. How many? I didn't hear you. Say it louder. Yeah, 10. Let's see. Let's hit submit. No! Didn't you say 10? Let's check again. Let me count this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who tricked me and said 10? Say you. Oh, you got me. All right. Is this 9? Oh, this one right here. Okay, let's try it. Whew. Nice. All right. So we just reviewed how we measure. We start from one end, go to the other, no gaps, no overlaps, nice and straight, end to end. All right. Now, I have a question for you. I have 3 things that I can measure with. I have a penny. I have my Q-tip, always handy. And I have a straw. 3 things to measure with. Now, today, we're going to figure out which one is the best one to use for certain objects. All right, I'm going to scroll down. See, there is my table. Here's the penny. Here's the Q-tip. And here is the straw. All right. If I wanted to measure the banana, or my students know as my favorite phone. Hello? Hey, how are you? Uh-huh. No, I'm in the middle of math. Okay. Bye. All right. So I want to measure this banana. What would be the best unit to measure the banana in? Should I use pennies? Should I use Q-tips? Or should I use straws? Let's try a straw, end to end. Oh, wow, that was easy. Okay, so it took one straw. Let's try Q-tips. Start there, end to end. Yep. It took one straw. How many Q-tips did it take? 1, 2, 3. About 3. Now let's check pennies. I have a whole bunch of pennies. Let's line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so take a lot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh, got zigzaggy. 13. 13 pennies. Can you see it? Show you. Look. 13 pennies. How come it only took one straw, but it took 13 pennies? Why did it only take one straw, but 13 pennies? Do you know why? Who said that? You did? What'd you say? Louder. The straw is bigger? Oh, the pennies are smaller, so you need more. Nice job, high five. All right. So when you're measuring with something small, like a penny, you need more of them to line up for the space. When you're using something big, do you need more of them? Oh no, you need less of them. So let's see if we can fill this in. When we measure the same object with smaller units, so let's use smaller, do we need more of them or do we need fewer or less of them? When we measure the same object with smaller units, what do we need? For our pennies, did we need more? Did we need more pennies or did we need fewer pennies? Right, we needed more. We needed 13 more. Nice job. When we measure with bigger objects, did we need more or less of them? We had 13 pennies. How many straws? Right, only one. So we need less. Right. So when we're measuring with smaller objects, we're going to need more of them. Why do you think that is? Yeah, nice and loud. Make it so loud. You're right, because when they're smaller, you need more to take up the space. Absolutely. Nice job. And when they're bigger, we need less of them. Absolutely. That's going to be important to know. All right. So I am making a mess today. So we're going to play the game, penny, Q-tip, or straw. That's our game. Measured my phone. Hello. Now, for Easter, what if we measure this Easter egg? What would you use? Would you rather use a penny? What do you think would be the best bet? A penny, a Q-tip, or a straw? Take your vote now. All right, let's check it out. All right, so we got to make sure it doesn't roll, right? Because eggs roll. All right, so a straw. Who said a straw? No way. I don't even know how I would do that. Are you trying to trick me again? Oh, you guys, I need to watch out for you. All right, what about Q-tip? Who said Q-tip? Raise your hand. Okay, it could be a Q-tip. It's not even one, though. What about pennies? You got it. Who said pennies? Raise your hand if you said pennies. It took 3 pennies to measure the egg. So for the penny, for the egg, I have my chart here. We're playing penny, Q-tip, or straw. The object. We just did an egg. And what is the unit of measure? What was the best one? Yeah, the penny. Nice job. All right, let's play penny, Q-tip, or straw. Drum roll, please. All right, instead of an egg, what if we measured a marker? Penny, Q-tip, or straw? Take your best guess. What do you think would be the best thing? All right, I'm going to write it down. Marker. What would be the best one? Do you think it would be a penny, a Q-tip, or a straw? Which one do you think would be the best bet? Oh, all right, let's see who's right. See, a straw. Oh, straw's so big. I don't think we could use a straw for this one. All right, what about Q-tips? Well, that was easy. Like 1.5, right? A little more, almost 2. So that was easy. Pennies. 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's getting harder. 7, 8. So there's 8 pennies. Which one do you think is easier? Which one would you use, pennies or Q-tips? Because the straw is way too big. You know we can't do the straw. What do you think? Either one we would be right, but the one that probably the best fit would be the Q-tips. All right. Who said Q-tips? Did you? Yeah, pat yourself on the back. Round of applause. Nice job. So Q-tip. So the egg, the best one was a penny. The marker, the best one was a Q-tip. What if I wanted to do my whole dining room table? Look at this table. Look at that table. Oh, there's my daughter's drink. What do you think? We're not even going to try to measure. We have such a big space. What would be the best one to use when you have a big space? Should I measure with pennies? Is that going to be the best choice? Should I measure with Q-tips? Or should I measure with straws? What do you think? All right, when I say the choice you want, I want you to jump up and down. Ready? Penny. Nobody. Why are you jumping? Penny? Really? It's so small. Okay. Q-tip. Ooh, got a few jumpers. Straw. Whoa, it was like an earthquake. You all jumped. Yes, because the straw is the biggest one. So you would use that one because it would take up as much space as it would need. You don't want to use the little stuff to measure the really big objects. So your unit should really match what you are measuring, right? If you're measuring something really, really big, you should use the bigger unit of measure. All right, so today, for your work, you are going to continue playing penny, Q-tip, or straw. There we go. This is what you're setting up. You're going to put your name, math, day 7. Make sure you're setting your paper up. And the date. Today is the 13th, April 13th already. We really miss you guys. We've been apart way too long. All right, so set the tab up and we're going to play penny, Q-tip, or straw. Silly game. I like to make up silly games. All right, so these are the objects that I want you to decide. You're not actually going to measure them. You have to think what would be the best choice to measure the cereal box. Your bed, dice, a little tiny dice, couch, jump rope, a shoe, and a skateboard. These 3 down here, 8, 9, and 10, you get to pick 3 objects. It could be big like an elephant. It could be tiny like an ant. It could be a spoon. It could be a book. It could be your favorite toy. Right? But you would have to tell me what would be the unit of measure that you think is the best guess. Would you measure it with a penny? Would you measure it with a Q-tip? Or would you measure it with a straw? So you can pause it right here. Copy this down. You are going to fill this part in with penny, Q-tip, or straw. You're going to tell me what is the best one. What's the best unit of measure to use for this object? All right, you're not actually going to measure it. I just want you to try to think about what would be the best one to use. All right, so pause it right here. When you are done, take a picture and upload it to your portfolio math day 7. Right, 8, 9, and 10, you're going to pick your own object. All right, but you're still going to do penny, Q-tip, and straw. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. We miss you, and I cannot wait to see your smiling faces.